welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiana. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a French tip V-line smile set. I really don't know how to say it, but you guys will see in the title. But today I'm going to be using this Morovan kit that I got from Amazon. It was a pretty nice deal because we got a lot of polygels in this, guys. We got a lot. But this is the color changing kit. I'm not going to be using the color changing colors in this, but if you want me to use that, just, comment down below so I can, know. But the kit looks really nice when you open it. Like, it comes really nicely and stuff. Everything placed nicely. But the first thing it comes with is the manual, like the instructions paper thingy. It like shows you how to use dual forms, which I'm not going to be using dual forms today. So it comes with dual forms. If you wanted to use dual forms, you can, if it's way easier for you. I feel like I don't like them. I got the brush and the spatula. We got the file, and it comes with two pretty glitters. Comes with slip solution, top coat, base coat, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 polygels. First color is brown. Next color is nude. Then we got this ombre pink beige color. Then we got pure white. Pure is actually clear. Then we got milk. And then we got ombre purple white. This is one of the color changing colors. And then we have pink. So these are all the swatches of the colors. So there's two color changing colors, which are the ombre colors, but I'm going to be using the nude and the white today. So these are my old sets. Like, these have been on for so long, you guys. I'm really tired of these nails, so I just couldn't wait to take them off. But I'm going to start off by clipping off these nails. And then I'm just going to take my file and try to like lower down like the bulk of this. I'm going to take some pure acetone and I'm going to dip these nails in there for like 5 minutes. And that's how they look when I'm done, taking that out, the acetone. But I'm just going to try to like take them off now. I ended up biting them off, which is not what you're supposed to do. Do not follow after me, guys. Like, don't do that. It's bad for your nails. But that's how they look. And I'm going to start off by pushing back the cuticles. Now I'm going to take this circle bit and go around my cuticles. It's like actually good for your cuticles, taking off like the dead skin. Then I'm going to go in with this coarse sanding band. And I'm just going to go over lightly over my natural nails so I can take off all the debris of the old nails and remove the natural shine of fine nails. Now I'm going to take my cuticle scissors and remove my old cuticles. These scissors are super sharp, so if you want to get them, they're like super sharp, so you have to know how to use them. I had to teach myself. Kind of hurt myself in the process, but we're not going to talk about that. I'm going to take this buffer and just try to like take off all the dust from the nails. But I'm just going to clip down the natural growth of my nails. going to glue on these nail tips. And these are stiletto tips. If you want to know where I got them from Amazon. They're going to be linked in the description down below. But now I'm just going to be cutting down the nail tips to my desired length. These are going to be a little long today, so yeah. I'm going to take my file and start filing up the shape. Even though the shape is really nice, I'm just going to make it a little bit more crisp. So these are my nails shaped, filed, and buffed. Now I'm going to start off with my Dehydrator. That is also from Morovan, which is like a coincidence. And my primer, I'm going to be putting 1 coat of this today. Now I'm going to take my base coat and put a thin layer of base coat over all my nails. I'm just going to cure that in my nail lamp for like 30 seconds. I'm going to take this nude color. I'm going to be putting a bead of that on my cuticle since it's going to be like a French tip thing. I started off with a really small bead. I should put way more, but I ended up putting like a coat of clear at the end, so it kind of paid off, made it a little thicker. But I'm going to be doing that for all the nails and try to shape it into like a smile line. So I love this consistency. Like this polygel consistency is really nice. I actually really like it. It's nice. It's not runny. It's kind of like stiff, but not stiff at the same time. I don't know how to explain it. It's really soft. It's like really nice. I really like this consistency. But for this now, I'm doing the V line, so I'm just gonna be shaping that into like a V shape as best as I can. So these are how the nails look after I've been doing that. I'm gonna wipe the nails off with some alcohol and then start filing it so I can get a crisper shape. I'm just gonna buff that and dust that off. And now I'm gonna go in with this white polygel, and I'm gonna be putting that on the tip of the nail. And it should be a big bead because I think that should be the biggest part of your nail. So yeah, I'm just gonna be molding that into the nail and try to get it around the C line. But if you guys didn't know already, white is really opaque, so it takes a while to cure, so you have to cure it for a little longer. I don't know the exact like how long you're supposed to cure it in like a UV lamp or LED lamp, but I know that you're supposed to cure it until like you feel like it's not like the layer is supposed to be tacky, but it's not supposed to be sticky, if you know what I mean. So I'm just going to be filling in the spots that don't have white. I'm just going to be taking off the tacky layer with some alcohol again. And I'm just going to be filing down the nails with my file, and I'm going to go in with my e-file later. Just fixing up the shape and blending in the white and the nude color. Now I'm going to take this pure color, which is the clear. So about the clear, this clear is super sticky. Like, I don't know what it was. Maybe just like the clear was sticky, but it was really sticky, and I didn't have time to be putting it in like some cold glass water or something. or the freezer or something, so I just had to work with it. I had to kind of like swirl it around to like get it to move, but overall it worked fine. I'm just like trying to get in the spots that I found too much. I'm just going to be wiping that off the tacky layer. I'm going to be taking my sanding man and I'm just going to be going around the nail, smoothing out the nail, getting the lumps and bumps. If you do want to go around the cuticle with this, you have to really be careful because it can hurt you or the person you're doing it on. So yeah, this is myself luckily, so I really like didn't care. But if it was somebody else, I would have been using a cuticle pick. So that's how they look. Now I'm going to be buffing out the nails and then taking this brush thingy so I can remove all the dust from my nails underneath my nails, so it'll be easier for me to apply the gems and the top coat and everything. Now I'm going to be applying the gems. I love these gems. If you guys want to know where I got them from, I got them from Amazon. It'll be linked in the description if you want it. But I was going to put some gems on the pointer finger, but I didn't like how that looked, so I just took them off. So I just went in with some top coat, and I'm just going to be applying a decent amount of top coat because I love top coat. Like, top coat is like amazing. It just finishes the nail off. Like, it just looks really nice. Yes. I love the middle finger. I think that's probably like my favorite finger. It just looks so nice. I love this nail set. I loved how it turned out. It just looks really nice. And I cured them for about like 60 seconds. And then I'm going to be applying this cuticle oil that I also got from Amazon, also linked in the description, rubbing that in. And this is how the nails look, you guys. Like, they turned out so nice. Like, I really liked them. I loved the size of them. I love the shape. I just love it so much. But if you guys liked it, just, you know, give this video a like. If you guys want to suggest anything to me, just comment that down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But stay tuned for the next video, you guys, and bye.